Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your design system documentation into Zeroheight, full guide step by step clearly. Start by gathering all existing design system documentation. Review your current documentation for completeness and organization. Identify key components such as colors, typography, components, and guidelines. Set up a Zeroheight account if you haven't already. Log into your Zeroheight account to access the dashboard. Create a new project specifically for your design system documentation. Ensure that you understand the structure and format of Zeroheight pages. Begin with creating a main page for your design system overview. Add a brief introduction that summarizes the purpose of the design system. Next, create individual pages for each component category. Start with the colors page. Clearly define primary, secondary, and neutral colors. Include hex codes and usage guidelines for each color. Move on to the typography page, specify font families, sizes, and weights. Include examples of text in varying styles for clarity. For the components page, categorize components such as buttons, forms, and cards. Provide images and usage guidelines for each component. Use Zeroheight's built-in components to make your documentation visually appealing. Integrate design assets or links to design files within Zeroheight. Document usage patterns and best practices for each component. Devote a page to accessibility guidelines relevant to your design system. Once all content is organized, review each page for accuracy and coherence. Collaborate with team members for feedback on the documentation. Make necessary adjustments based on feedback received. Finalize the documentation layout and ensure it is user-friendly. Publish your design system documentation on Zeroheight. Share the link with your team to ensure everyone has access. Regularly update the documentation as your design system evolves. Encourage team members to contribute to the documentation when necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.